If Chrome is slow or crashing on your Mac, there's a good chance you're running an outdated version, and most people don't even realize it. Let me show you the fastest way to fix it. A lot of Mac users don't realize Chrome doesn't always update the moment a new version comes out. In the next 2 minutes, I'll show you how to check your version, update Chrome properly, and make sure it's actually applying updates. Let's start with the basics. How can you update Google Chrome on Mac? First, open Chrome on your Mac, click the 3 dots in the top right corner, go to Help and then About Google Chrome. Now, Google will automatically check for updates. If an update is available, it will start downloading it right away, and when it's finished, all you need to do is click Relaunch to apply the update. And that's it! This is the quickest way to update Google Chrome on a Mac. Now, how can you check your current Chrome version? On the same About Chrome page, you see the current version number at the top. If it says Chrome is up to date, you're already running the latest version. If not, Chrome will update automatically from here, so whenever you need to check your Chrome version, just go to this page. Another important question is, does Google Chrome update automatically on Mac? And the short answer is yes. Chrome downloads updates in the background, but they usually apply only after you relaunch the browser. So if you keep Chrome open for days or even weeks, you might be missing important updates. That's why opening the About Chrome page is still the best way to make sure everything's up to date. Now, one quick thing before we wrap up. If Chrome doesn't update right away or you start noticing more apps crashing, your Mac might be overdue for a general system check. That's usually not a browser issue. It's more about what's happening in the background. And when my Mac starts feeling sluggish or a bit off, I use CleanMyMac. It helps clear out leftover app files and system junk that can quietly take up space or affect performance, keeping things running smoothly overall. If this helped, give this video a like and subscribe for more quick Mac tips. Also, you'll find a link to CleanMyMac in the description. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.